I do recommend that you practice your media interviews on video, obviously, and if you can find someone else to ask you questions. You want to find someone who is at least somewhat familiar with your topic, what you're talking about, and the venue where you're going to be interviewed. So if you're being interviewed by the absolute toughest, most confrontational political talk show host in your entire country who yells and screams at people, you don't want your nice, friendly, best friend aunt asking you simple softball questions. You want to find someone who can ask you tough, nasty, mean, vicious questions and interrupt you. That way, when you're in the real life situation, you're familiar with it. You've already practiced in that situation. But if you're going in front of the media and it's a simple, straightforward trade publication, and you know the reporter is going to be somewhat bland, straightforward, factual, polite, you don't want to have a media trainer or someone else just start screaming at you and accusing you of crimes against humanity just for the theater of it. This shouldn't be about theatrics and fun and show. It should be about helping you get familiar with the whole atmosphere of the interview, comfortable with how you're coming across, and to have seen yourself perform already the way you want to in advance on video.